Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. If you are planning to visit your home country or you want to come to Middle East, this video is definitely for you. So please sit back, relax and watch till the end. So in this video, I would like to tell you about the PCR centers, the COVID-19 test centers, where you can get your test done before you traveling and how much you would have to pay for that. So let's get started. But before we start, please kindly click the subscribe button below. Also click the bell icons to get the notification of my videos. So let's begin. Number one is Al Noor Hospital. You can visit Al Noor Hospital and you can just pay off 250 dirhams to get your coronavirus test result within 24 hours. And if you wanted a home service, you could just call Mediclinic Airport Road. There's hospital. You could call them and they will give you home service for 470 dirhams. They will come and they will take your test at your home doorstep. You won't have to go anywhere and you will get your report within 48 hours. And you could go to Meteor Hospital. They are charging 250 dirhams. You could go to NMC. In NMC they are charging 300 dirhams. And also, if you want for free or if you want to pay a cheaper price, like if you are looking for something cheap price, you can't afford like 370 dirhams or 250 dirhams for just a coronavirus test. So there are other options also. I would suggest, if you could make it, you could just drive and go to Dubai, and when you're coming back to Dubai, there's a rapid test which is mandatory, and that test is also applicable when you're traveling, so that will be valid also. So if you are in Abu Dhabi, go to Dubai, and when you're coming back, you need to do the rapid test, which is only 50 dirhams, which costs only 50 AED for you. So you won't have to pay 370 or 250. You will end up saving like 200 dirhams. And there is one more option. If you want it for free, you could go to Sharjah. In Sharjah, there is a place, Sharjah Exhibition Center, where the SEHA has organized only free coronavirus tests so far. You don't have to make any reservation or anything. You just go directly, walk in and get your test done, and your result will come within 48 hours. In SEHA also there is a facility in Abu Dhabi. If you want your coronavirus test result within 12 hours, you could just pay off 250, and if you want it in 48 hours, you can pay only 200 dirhams in SEHA. So this is pretty much about where you can get your coronavirus test done. If you guys know some other places where we can get it done for free or lesser price, kindly do let me know in the comments below, and please share this video for other people to know. And also check out my other videos where I have made a video about the requirement list for the people who are traveling from Abu Dhabi to Delhi or other places, and if you are traveling from your home country to UAE, so what are the requirements and what all it takes. So that video is also, you will find it in the link below, so you could just check it out. So that's pretty much about this video, and I hope you guys find it informative. So if there is any information you could use for your purpose, I would think that my effort is not wasted. And please do subscribe to my channel. There is a lot more videos, you could check it out, about Excel, about English, and lot more funny videos too. So thank you very much guys, and stay safe. God bless you all.